Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start in Firefox with your Gmail address typed into Accounts. Google.com. Enter the address and click Next. This tells Google which account needs recovery. When prompted, select Forgot Password to trigger step-by-step verification. Make sure you have your recovery options ready: phone, alternate email, or security questions, because the next screens will ask for them. Once done, Firefox keeps the session active so you can respond to codes or follow links without switching apps, which speeds the process and reduces errors. You now pick the verification method that matches your recovery setup. Choose phone for SMS, alternate email for a recovery link, or an authenticator app if you've configured one. Once selected, watch for a 6-digit code or a confirmation prompt. Check the Messages app or the alternate inbox quickly because codes expire. If a connected device appears, tap Accept to verify instantly. Make sure to enter codes in Firefox exactly as shown. Small mistakes cause retries and delays. You will be prompted to create a new password. Choose something unique and confirm it. After that, update your recovery phone and alternate email so future recoveries are faster. Sign back into Firefox and check account settings to verify changes took effect. If you can't verify, codes not arriving or blocked, try the recovery flow from a different device or network, clear Firefox cookies, and restart the process. One key troubleshooting tip: if SMS never arrives, use the alternate email recovery option or contact your carrier for message delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.